Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Joint Council of Trade Unions and Association condemns abnormal increase in the prices of petrol, diesel and gas. Office of District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Officer West and East Giant Hills District, Jowai and Cleriot organized training cum workshop for farmers. Contractual workers of North Eastern Police Academy yet to get salary after 6 months, and 3rd Division football tournament begins at Polo Ground in Shillong today. Another news in detail. The Meghalaya Joint Council of Trade Unions and Association, in collaboration with the All India Trade Union Congress Meghalaya and Meghalaya State Union AITUC today, condemned the abnormal rise in the prices of petrol, gas and diesel in the state. The organization said the hike in the prices of these essential items has affected all sections of the society in Meghalaya. The organization also said the hike of these prices has not only affected the prices of essential commodities but to the commuters as well, because the bus and taxi fares have also increased drastically.
Because we are confused. Who is eating the lion's share of the tax, we don't know, because we are confused. Exact picture is not coming to us. Some people are saying state government is getting much bigger share and central government is less. Because who is correct, we don't know. Because in our opinion, state as well as central government both are responsible for the fuel price hike. So both are responsible. We argue upon this central as well as the state government to slash down the taxes so that we can that common people can bear the burden. Because you see that this should be a mass movement. That price rise, because you see that only a few ruling parties supporter, as our president said, that people are purchasing this gold ornament, this and that yesterday. But one thing, what about the common people? Common people are not in a position to purchase gold, this and that, because they are busy living in hand and mouth. They are living in hand and mouth. Where from they will get all these crores of rupees to purchase? Certain sections are there. They are purchasing, not by the common people. So that cannot be compared. And I think it is a foolish game if you encourage this fuel price hike, because it is related to everything. Because you see all over India, if you go to the data as submitted by our MGCTA and AITUC, you see that diesel price, because all these SSL commodities are being transported by this trucks owner association, this and that. So they are hiking the rate, because where from they will bring the money? Otherwise they will have to stay.
As part of the Golden Jubilee Meghalaya Statehood celebration, Veterinary Service Association Giant Hills Unit, in collaboration with the Office of District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Officer West Giant Hills District, Jowai and Cleriot, today organized the training cum workshop for the farmers at Latirke in East Giant Hills District. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. D. I. Kajam, District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Officer West Giant Hills District and Chairman of Meghalaya Veterinary Service Association Giant Hills Unit, said awareness programs are needed for the farmers because the state need to produce more meat production to meet the demands of the consumers.
Ikhaniwa do pagwi kepianja ko bami ni miklami ni yu ba do ikram le ngomong to tete handai ko perni man mpuyi ko hado kan ni dang mani mpowan sufficient di do ti tidak ka besok ka jadi ta ni yojana jaga ka program isam tam kiwa im dewa ba do chero baca untuk kami dikha jata jadi yang ribut untuk vegetarian di bawah ini, hendak regionally dah ini dua bangsa. Iwan plan bangsa itu kami, Nejeda dah kami program ini buat sekolah. Persiapan ini, kamanu pendak italuna kamanu payuye guna kidra rote gido kha sien do sia tadem lele parogi disia si panya ka hagajisem no ga poisa di pau chaba ne betau tin do sia ti dekar later.
Dear viewers, let us now take a short break. Welcome back. We'll continue with the remaining news. The contractual workers of North-Eastern Police Academy in Ribhoi district are yet to receive their salary even after 6 months have passed. These employees told the media that they are facing big hardship as they are finding it very difficult to maintain their families. These workers also informed that they have met the director of NEPA in this regard and nothing tangible came out from that meeting and urged the state government to intervene so that they may get their salary again.
Ngiwan hang nema na kaliang jong ki mutre kasual ha nepa ma ni pipa ko jing e ma thamba yede but ka jing tulok ko jong ma mentala hendru banai ma long te long ka sim jing e ka sem jong ma kam tam ka yede but pada pimbiang ki sem ko di ti jong ma te maruk man kam tam ka jing ut pat kini ki EPF ki SI ma kat ba ka jing ut na ka jing lyo jong ma na ka tuluk jong ki laon handrai kat ba ka ka jong ka EPF kam dan kam kata ka jing ut jong ki ma te kat pat kanya ka sarkar Meghalaya ma pan tuklar lem mo ini ka kam jong ma man penrong lang iki jing e jenjar jing ma hai be dei ani ka kam tam ki ngila lek mi ma sha ki labor office ngila air ki application sha director te hadu mentar kim sim khiai ni ka kam te ngim se kin ban wan ne ban pa jing e jing apa ya deh berkeneka kam telah ada keserkar kalian pen long is mengta jungi kinung bela bentuk kelar lem ini kam tam.
The third division football tournament organized by Shillong Sports Association commenced at Polo Ground in Shillong began today. 2 matches were played today. The first match played between Nongra Sports Club and Lumpering Sports Club ended in a draw with 1 goal each. Nongra Sports Club scored the first goal through its forward Rocky Kharkongor in the 30th minute of the first half. In another match between Mautawar Sports Club and Nongse Sports Club ended in a draw with 1 goal each. Mautawar Sports Club scored the first goal through its forward Ronaldo Rangslang in the 19th minute of play. Nongse Sports Club scored the equalizer through its forward Tony Sinkley in the 47th minute of the game. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.